What is up, everyone? I know it's been a really long time since I've posted a video for you, but a lot of this video is going to involve the Lazarus Corvette and the reasons why we haven't posted a video in a long time. So let me get this turned around. Let me show you an update on the car. It is almost completely done. We're going to take it to a show on October 4th of this year. Can't wait to have it done. So here you go, guys. Check it out. Okay guys, so check this out. This is the numbers matching Steel Cities Gray 1972 4-speed small block Corvette I've restored from my dad, aka the Lazarus car. The reason it earned that nickname is this car was very sickly when it came to us. Ran like crap. It was completely rigged together. It had a lot of body damage that was very hidden. This whole back panel here and this quarter were made of Bondo completely. The guy who did the bodywork and paint on this had to completely reconstruct everything. And then while we were doing that, we decided to go with our own custom touches. Like on the rack here, we filled in all the rack holes. Back here, we went ahead and filled in the alarm hole, made a one-piece rear out of this, so it was just a cleaner line. I eliminated the trim rings for the exhaust right here. You're just going to see some tips. The exhaust is actually getting put on 2 days from now. We took out the antenna here, and I have a digital antenna in the car with the digital radio, MP3 retro radio. You can see the car, the paint and body actually turned out really good. To the painter's credit, they did. They turned out nice. I still have to put the wiper door on and do some stuff. I had to order a hood prop for this car because the hood I bought was a 1969 hood, so I had to get a longer prop. Went through the whole motor and everything, all new wiring harness, new hoses, new everything. Redid the trans, redid the motor. The whole car is basically restored. The reason you guys did not see much of this car was because I was dealing with the people who did a lot of work to this car, including the painter. They turned out to be a lot of cons. They took me for a lot of money. They ended up trying to bail on the paint job of this. I had to do a lot of things kind of secretively to make sure this car got done, and it was a mess. Give you a couple examples on the front here real quick. The lower spoiler is not painted, as you can see. Reason being, as I asked the painter what happened, he said, "Oh, I didn't want to get that low to paint that, so it's on me. I'll paint it here in a couple days even, actually, as soon as the car gets back from the exhaust shop." Front suspension, of course, is sitting really high because it's all new on this car. It has not been driven. But those guys were paid to do some work on the front suspension to rebuild it. They did. They didn't put any grease in the bearings. They over-tightened all of the stab links. Basically, they didn't care about this car. They just wanted their money, and it would have killed my parents. So this was basically a disaster. I had to redo twice a lot of the stuff in this car. But in the end, thankfully, the car is almost completely done. You can see the interior. Those are some exhaust pieces that are sitting in here, waiting to go. I still have to do the horn. You can see the button missing. I got a whole new kit for that. But this car has gone through a lot. It is basically all new. It came out gorgeous. You're going to see a lot more from us. This car is going to be at the October 4th New Carlisle Festival of Flight car show. If you're out that way, we'll have it out there. Just can't wait to get it done and move on to the next thing. You guys are going to see a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Thanks for watching.